this is Tammy with another video of Family with Purpose, and today is an exciting day. I finally got this pretty box in the mail from FabFitFun.com. I'm super jazzed about this. Many of my friends have been talking about it, and mine is finally here, and I'm opening it in front of you for the first time. All right, here we go. I'm super excited. Oh, I gotta turn it over. This is the winter box. It came in December. Wow, just the presentation of it alone. Look at how they packed it. What woman wouldn't enjoy this? I love the attention to detail. So the first thing is, remember this is my first time, so I don't know what to expect, is a magazine from a famous person. Oh, and look it. They wrapped it up so nice. There's even tissue paper. Now I hear there is $200 of value in this every time you get a box. So let's see here. I got a pretty necklace and a blanket, a full-size pillow spray. Hopefully this helps you sleep better. I think you spray in your pillow. Some exfoliant cream. My favorite, fuzzy socks. Who doesn't need, remember this is the winter box, so who doesn't need fuzzy socks for their warm feet? And exfoliant cream. What is this? I have no idea. Ooh, my daughter will love this. This looks like makeup. So pretty. And a pretty case, it's full size. Wow. Oh my goodness, it just keeps coming and coming. We have a mask, moisture healing mask. Wow. And some mineral hand cream. Again, winter. They're thinking taking care of your dry skin and keeping you warm. And then one other thing that's huge. It looks like it's a mug. I'd rather be in bed. This is perfect for me. Let's see if I can open it. It's packed really nice. Oh, what a pretty color. This is totally me. I'd rather be in bed. I will definitely use this. This right here is $200 value, and you can have it all too. All you have to do is go to FabFitFun.com and sign up. You can do it one of two ways. One is you sign up for the whole year of $179.99, or you can sign up for the whole year and then pay every quarter. Again, I got this in December for the winter box. They have another one that comes in March for the spring box, which will focus on spring items. They have one that comes in June for summer and one in September for fall. Now, the exciting thing is I have a link below that I can save you $10 on your first box. You just click the link, and then in the promo code you put 10 off. You have to spell it out, TENOFF, and you will automatically get $10 off, 10 off. This is the perfect gift for those that are hard to shop for. Whether or not it's a wife, a grandma, a mother-in-law, a sister, an aunt, or your college student. It's wonderful because unlike you can just sign up for the candle of the month, but you know you're getting a candle. This, 4 times a year, you have no idea what you're gonna get. And I'm thrilled at what I got. And again, they said it's $200 of value. So who in your life could you shop for that would be hard but fun to shop for? They would so look forward to getting these 4 fun boxes every year. I hope you'll check it out and you'll have fun being fit or helping others be fit.
Thanks so much for watching. If you want to hear about something in particular or you want to share how our hacks were helpful, we would love to hear from you in the comments below. And be sure to give us a thumbs up or a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the button to be notified of all of our new videos. You really do make a difference, and you help us get the word out as we join families with practical helps and hacks. Check out our other videos, and always remember to be intentional with your family. They deserve your best. You can find Family with Purpose on Facebook, Instagram, and Family Purpose on Twitter. Come check us out and say hi.